Okay, so hi guys! Another day, another adventure. So, we are currently heading to Bohol. So, magbo-Bohol Cebu kami. And I'm with my sister and her family. Say hi to my vlog! Sandro! Ado! Okay, so fun fact tayo. So, Bohol is my very first travel or local travel or, air flight. So, and when I'm back to Bohol, I feel it. Ano bang first, mo?
First travel.
First air flight?
Boracay?
Ni Bohol, 2011. Cebu?
Cebu pala, Cebu yan.
Hindi Cebu, Bohol.
Yan, Cebu, Bohol.
O, di ka din. It's your
Oh,
first
no,
flight.
oh my God.
Awesome. I'm back
It was,
after
our college tour. Nag-tour kami ng college. That was my first time.
tourism graduate. So, may mga tours sila ng college. But me, third year ako, third year high school. And I'm with Mama, Rowan, saka si ate, Beth. And oh my God, 2011 yun, 2011. So, 2011 na. Yeah, 2011. Yeah, 2011. And then, I'm finally going back! After 13 years. So, nag-save ako ng mga old photos. Para talagang neneng-nene. Sobrang payat and sobrang itim. So, i-recreate ko siya. For example, sa Chocolate Hills, Man-Made Forest. But yeah, I'm excited! So, see you in Bohol. Ayan, so by the way, ako lang mag-isa sa loob. So, wala akong katabi.
Is indicated on the equipment itself.
You're so wrong. Panglaw na siya, hindi na siya Tagbilaran. That's so 10 years ago. Oh, there's my maleta. Welcome to Bohol! Pinky, pinky. Yay! So, good morning. Good morning. Rise and shine. Time check, it's 9 o'clock. And start na namin yung countryside tour. First stop is Chocolate Hills. And it's no longer raining. Sana lang hindi sobrang init. Para So, nandito na kami sa Chocolate Hills. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. There you go. That's how high it is. I think it's around 200 steps, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I remember. Pero, let's see. I'll count. Apparently, here pala yung Bohol ATV. So, if nakikita nyo na parang merong sumikat dito na mag-ATV ka and ang view mo is Chocolate Hills, dito lang pala yun. So, we're almost at the top. So, ayan na yung view. You can see the Chocolate Hills everywhere. But, let's go. Okay, we're here! Okay, so we're now at the top. Say hi! Yeah. Hi, Chocolate Hills after 13 years. Wow. Okay, so syempre madaming tao. And then, I'm just thankful that it's not as sunny. What's this for? Okay, so, oh my god, sobrang foggy. Wait, tumila na yung ulan and the skies are clear already. But, oh my god. So, the sun is out. The sun is out. And pababa na kami. We got the photo. And sobrang weird talaga na umulan. Look at my hair. Ano na? Second stop is Bohol Tarsier Conservatory. Time check, it's 11:37. So I think after this, it's the lunch time. But, na-fly away na yung hair ko because it rained. Done with the Tarsier Conservatory. Yan yung second stop namin. And we're now heading back. Not heading back. Heading to, I think, lunch. So that's the Lobok River buffet lunch. So yan. Bye! Hey guys, so third stop is a man-made forest here in Bohol. So I've been here before, 13 years ago. And it still looks like this. Yeah, third stop. Yan. Ah. Okay, our fourth stop is Lobok River Cruise. So, dito kami magla-lunch. I'm so hungry. Time check, it's 12:57. Oh, hi Taylor. You're singing all too well. 12:57. And we are hungry. Ayan. Hello. Mabuhay. We're going in. Lunch. Hey!
Si Sandro hindi makalikot kasi pagod siya.
Mabuhay sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Bohol and welcome here in Lubok River and Floating Restaurant.
Okay, so vlog update. It's 2:06. So tapos na kami kumain. Alinis na yung table namin. Then pabalik na. Pabalik na yung bangka namin. Sobrang relaxing lang talaga. Tapos with that kind of music. So kanina dumaan din kami dito na papunta kami. And they dance. He tired. He tired. Okay, next stop, Baclayon Church. Time check 3:02.
Ice cream, sabihin ng baby lang ako.
So wala na yung muka. So may mukha dito dati ni Padre Pio. Pero syempre that's so 13 years ago. So it's no longer there. Ay, shucks. I'm so sorry. What? You're funny. No, you're funny. So, kami ngayon sa Aproniana gift shop. So, ano siya? Souvenir shop siya. And bilihan ng pasalubong. So, I already bought mine. So, these are just bunch of pasalubong. Delicacies, mostly. For pasalubong. So, yun. Here's the bathroom and here is the bed. Okay. Let me... Oh, hi! R.I.P. here. Oh my god, finally we're in a good bed. And here is our... Wait. I'm gonna show you our view. Ah! There's like a balcony here where you can swim directly to the pool. There you go. So nice. Okay, hi again. So here's the bathroom. Hi girl. She's also taking content. See? So serious, my sister. So here's the bathroom. So it's clean enough and it's all that matters. Hello! Oh my God! Time check, 5:30 and I'm now heading to the beach. So, naka-outfit na ako ng pang beach. Sila Ate Haya, nandun sila sa room. They're just resting. But, yay! Oh my God! Finally, makakakita na ako ng beach. This is why I came here. Mainly for the beach. So, pag check-in namin, nagbihis na agad ako so I can go to the beach and catch the sunset. So hopefully makatch ko siya because it's currently 5:30. So 5 kami nakarating dito at nakapag-check-in. So yeah, I'm rushing. So I get there in time. So yeah, I can now see the beach. Oh my God, I feel alive now. So here you go. Here's the pool. I don't think maliligo ako. So okay, so I'm already at the beach. Here's the beach. So pretty. So dito na lang muna ako mag-rest. Okay, let me just put my stuff here. Oh God. Oh God. I've been looking forward for this time. Oh my God. Going to the beach right now and just dump my feet. Parang bata. But look. So nice, right? Okay, so hi guys! So nandito na ako sa beach. And yeah, so pink. Look at the clouds here. It's so pink. And here's the sunset. So yun, the sand is so nice to the feet. So nice. Pero masiwid siya. Malumot. Is that lumot? No, seaweed or something. But it's fine. Oh my God, I'm gonna take a picture here. Okay, mother is playing. Here.
You were throwing pebbles in my bag since then.
So hi guys, time check at 6:14 and nandito pa rin ako sa may beach. So, hintay kong bumaba yung sun. So yan. Oh my God, nakaka-relax talaga. Nakaka-relax talaga sa beach. And sunset and beach. So nice. Ah. So I'm soaking it all in kasi this is my only time that I can see the sunset here in Alona Beach kasi I'm going to Cebu tomorrow. So I'm not gonna be able to see the sunset anymore. That's why I set time to actually watch it today. And yeah, it does not disappoint. Thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. I guess that's so obvious. Okay, so shall we head back? So here's how Henan looks like at night. I'm not gonna be able to see this other than today. I mean, in this trip. So here's how it looks like. Okay, I'm heading back to the room so I can swim there. But yeah. Ay nako, oh my God, sobrang thankful that I get to do this and have this. Sobrang relaxing. And the sun is out. Officially out and it's officially nighttime. Going back. Hello! Hello! So, nagsiswimming na sila dito sa pool. So, it's a direct pool access from our room. So, wala na masyadong... Wala nang tao actually on this side. Go swim! 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 Get the pool! Get the pool! Sandra is scared. Sandra is scared. Ay, mami, slide! Oh, baby, shake, shake. Ah, okay. It's a hotel.
Ano na lang sa kung
Sarap din ang prop, oh. Ano ba? Ano pa ang prop, eh? Tignan mo to, overloaded. Ito mo.
Salisbury steak.
Jambori.
Salisbury steak.
Do you think it's jumbo? Okay, so hi guys. Time check, it's 8:20 p.m. So magdi-dinner na kami ngayon and we're currently in Mist. So as suggested by Ayan. So hi Ayan, thank you for the suggestion. Sabi niya kasi daw, here daw is very Instagrammable and aesthetic. So she thinks that I will like it. And I do like it. So we ordered nachos for the appetizer. And I ordered a burger. Burger. Because parang kagabi pa ako nagka-crave ng burger. For some reason. And I'm finally eating it today. Messy.